home and tell you about the South African Weather Services. It has issued a warning for possible thunderstorms in Gauteng later today. We take a look at the forecast not only for Gauteng but the rest of the country with forecaster at the Weather Services, Lehlohonolo Thobela. Lehlohonolo, thank you very much for your time this morning. Perhaps let's start with that warning for Gauteng, what to expect later on today.
Good morning and thanks for having me. Yes, we have a severe thunderstorm warning expected not only for Gauteng, however, with also the central and the highfield areas of Mpumalanga, the eastern parts of the Free State Province, as well as the eastern areas of the northwest. With the thunderstorms, then you can expect some damaging winds, some possible effects of having some hail, could be small amounts of hail or large hail, as well as heavy rain. So in Gauteng, you can expect heavy rain in the evening, which might result in some flooding conditions, especially over areas over the southern part, spreading over to the east rand. And that's when we expect this from 5:30 to 6, spreading all over to about 8 p.m. Throughout the night, that's when we're expecting these thunderstorms to bring heavy rain, leading to floods.
How long are we expecting the rain to stay for?
Well, it's from the evening, so it could be from 6 up until the warning lasts up until 11 p.m. And that's expected to then last valid throughout the night.
I guess maybe in the coming days? Or is it just for tonight that we're expecting the rain?
No. So the severe thunderstorm warning is for tonight. That's when we're expecting it. Tomorrow, not much of the warnings are sent out as yet. However, we are monitoring the situation. Should there be a need to have much more of, depending on what the damage or the rain that is expected for tomorrow. However, for now, we're still expecting scattered to isolated chance of showers and thunder showers to dominate the central and the eastern areas, which then would result in this rain coming over in the evening, especially over Gauteng, spreading all over to the eastern parts. Tomorrow, then, you can expect much of the rain to remain over Limpopo, as well as the central and the eastern parts, and some parts of Mpumalanga.
Okay. The forecast for the next few days, at least, how are we looking?
All right, so we're expecting showers and thunder showers for the central and the eastern parts to remain over the isolated to scattered chance, as we're still expecting today to have that scattered chance of showers and thunder showers. Could be a widespread over Gauteng as the rain starts then to be more in the evening. So in tomorrow's weather, then we expect the isolated to a scattered chance of showers and thunder showers to be mainly in the eastern parts, with also the east coast of the KwaZulu-Natal experiencing some showers and rain. To be more specific, would be the southeast parts of KwaZulu-Natal, and throughout the week then we can expect much more of the 30% chance of the central and the eastern parts of the country.
Just going back to the warning in Gauteng for small or large hail and winds for that storm that is essentially going to be coming in the evening. What is that due to?
Well, we have, you mean what's causing the rain?
That's correct.
Yeah, so we have an upper air system, which then is called an upper trough, which results in the dynamic conditions which are resulting in what we're seeing. So it sends about perturbations, which is just dynamical convective, would be in science we call the heating, as well as the uplift, as well as the heat, and then which then results in the dynamic conditions which will create clouds, and with the clouds then we have much more of the rain that will come in. But it's not only limited to that. With the drier upper air in the atmosphere, then it results in the strong winds, as well as we have something called microbursts, which is then sinking air that comes from upper air, which results in much more of the damaging winds that's expected with the thunderstorms.
Lehlohonolo Thobela, a forecaster with the South African Weather Services. Thank you very much for your time this morning.